ASUS router admin page not loading after update. Fixed tutorial. Step 1. Power cycling your router. The first and often simplest step is to power cycle your router. Unplug your ASUS router from the power outlet, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait a few minutes for it to fully boot up before trying to access the admin page again. Step 2. Clearing browser cache and cookies. Sometimes your web browser's cache or cookies can interfere with loading the router page. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. In most browsers, you can find this option in the settings under Privacy and Security or History. Step 3. Trying a different browser or incognito mode. If clearing the cache don't work, try accessing the router's admin page using a different web browser. Alternatively, open an incognito or private browsing window in your current browser, as this often bypasses cache and extensions. Step 4. Checking your network connection. Ensure your computer is directly connected to the router via an Ethernet cable. A wired connection can sometimes provide a more stable link, especially if you are having Wi-Fi issues that might be preventing the admin page from loading. Step 5. Using the ASUS rescue mode. If none of the above steps work, the firmware update may have been corrupted, preventing the admin page from loading. You may need to use the ASUS firmware restoration utility to re-upload the firmware. This is an advanced step. Download the latest firmware and the ASUS utility from the official ASUS support site. Put your router into rescue mode. The power LED will blink slowly. Use the firmware restoration utility on your computer to upload a firmware file to the router and wait for the process to complete and for the router to reboot.